Hey everyone, I'm Instructor Brooks and welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to become a part of our community. Today we're going to look at the concept of active insufficiency and the biceps. So if you're ready to learn something, let's go. Before we begin, we need to agree on two key concepts. First, active insufficiency is the weakening of a biarticular muscle by placing it in a shortened position. Second, the biceps flex the elbow and shoulder and supinate the forearm. Pop quiz. Which nerve innervates the biceps? The answer, musculocutaneous nerve. Here you see Megan performing preacher curls. These are a great way to strengthen the biceps in their actively insufficient position. Notice the amount of shoulder flexion she has when doing this. So why is it important to know this? Why do I need to know how to strengthen the biceps in their actively insufficient position? Well, I'd say if you watch the video that I have on how muscles strengthen, one of the key concepts or theories is the idea of specificity, where saying a muscle gets strong and more functional and has better performance in exactly the way you strengthen it. So if you want to get a well-rounded strengthening program for the biceps, you need to strengthen it at multiple lengths with different leverages. And there you have it, something to think about, a little food for thought. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post them in the comment section below. And if you want to keep learning with us, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at Instructor Brooks. If you've done all those things, have an awesome day, and remember, knowledge is power.